New to crypto but afraid of losing your money? In this video, I'll walk you through the safest, smartest way to get started with cryptocurrency, even if you're starting with just $10. Welcome to Future Finance Lab, where we simplify smart money and tech. Let's dive into crypto for beginners, 2025 style. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is digital money, not controlled by any bank or government. It's powered by a technology called blockchain that records every transaction publicly. Simple definitions. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known Ethereum, powers smart contracts, altcoins. Everything else, Solana, Cardano, etc. Is crypto safe? Yes and no. Crypto is safe if you follow the rules. Safe, using secure exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, or Binance US, enabling two-factor authentication, transferring to a cold wallet, Ledger Trezor. Not safe. Scams on social media, hype coins with no utility, leaving everything on a hot exchange. Keep it protected or it can disappear. How to start investing. Start small. Here's how I invested $20 in less than 10 minutes. Steps. Sign up on Coinbase or Binance, verify ID, KYC. Connect bank or debit card, buy Bitcoin or Ethereum. Optional. Transfer to wallet. Tip. Start with dollar cost averaging, investing a little each week no matter the price. What coins should beginners buy? Best beginner-friendly coins. Bitcoin, BTC, most stable, longest history Ethereum, ETH, most useful in real apps, Solana, SOL, fast and growing ecosystem. Avoid at first meme coins, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, coins with no website or white paper. How to avoid beginner mistakes. Common mistakes: chasing hype, buying when it's going viral, selling in panic, forgetting passwords or recovery phrases. Best habits: learn before you invest. Don't invest what you can't afford to lose. Keep a record of every transaction. Crypto isn't a get-rich-quick game. It's a get-smart-slowly game. If you follow these steps, you're already ahead of 90% of people who jump into crypto blind. In my next video, I'll show you the best AI tools to track and manage your crypto portfolio, so you never miss a trend. Subscribe to Future Finance Lab for weekly videos on smart money, AI, and building wealth in 2025 and beyond.